keycaps, keyboard. We're gonna do some modifications here. I'll have everything out. I'm just gonna record everything, and then what comes up, we'll edit this down. You don't need to see everything I ordered from Amazon. Half of it came UPS, which they already came and gone, and half of it was them, and I'm still waiting for that. So these keycaps are gonna go on this. First, let's go ahead and get this out of the way. So yeah, there's a keyboard now. I'm gonna move this. I need a little more room. There we go. Okay. And now we got the keycaps. Take that off over here. Let's check out these keycaps. Let's see. Not bad. All right, here we go. Is this upside down? No. Okay. I didn't know which side was up, so. Okay, good. Yeah. These look okay. Oh, I see. That's why it felt weird. It's like that. Oh, that's I don't even have enough room. This is a big desk, and I still don't have enough room for this. Okay, we're still rolling. Oh my goodness. Let me move this stuff a little. If I just put it over here. Alright, good gracious. Well, the one nice thing about these sort of keycaps is you don't need different sizes for certain keys, like, in, delete. Oh, good, that's working out pretty well. And other things, because they're all the same. They're all the same row, technically. If I can do this without, exploding everything, that'd just be fantastic. Because, oh, great job. Yes. Fantastic. One more. Oh, it worked. We did it. Move that. Alright. Next. Hold up. Oh, the 8 moved. It moved back. Okay. Oh, I done knocked print screen around. Hold up. Woo! We did it. I feel a lot of static, but we did it. Alright, next. Well, I don't need to take out switches. I guess we're doing this. Going all the way. I didn't even plug in the camera, so I might stop to do that at some point. Got it. Got it. Okay, first off, are you flat? Let's make sure this is flat. Get a good look at it. I don't know. That doesn't look flat to me. That doesn't look too flat to me. Flat to you? I hope it's flat. I really do. Oh, okay. Well, these are different because color and because I don't know if you can tell, but this one, the white one here, it clearly has a intended bottom and top, whereas this one's just the same on every side. Yeah, this ridge is a whole lot bigger than that one. Hopefully you noticed that. Let's get closer. Can you see the angle? Yeah, look at all that extra. Yeah, you can see. Look how big it is. Alright, let's continue. I don't want this to go on too long. I guess this is the right way, that way. Okay, so you see this one that you can't see the keycaps, they're too far away. You see that one? It's just gonna go way over here. I'm gonna put it over here somewhere. There we go. And we're not using Win because I don't do that. I don't use Windows all the time, so it has no right to be on the keyboard like it's the only option. All right. Oh yeah. Let me plug this in. All right. Let's continue. See how fast I can do this, and also see how many switches get snatched out accidentally. There's one. Two. Three. 4. 5. Ow. Five? Where's the 6? I got hopeful and stopped counting. We did it! Alright, so if you were interested in modding, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. There are 6 screws I just pointed at. Hopefully you're paying attention. So I'm gonna undo those screws and see what happens. They look pretty normal to me. Yep. Feel normal. Alright, let's see what happens. We're just gonna undo screws and see what happens. Hopefully I don't have to take the switches out for this. Let's see. Speaking of we'll see, let me move. Oh, that's why I have this. Can you see it? No, well, it's right here. It's close enough. See where it's going. Over here. This one. I find it stranger than none here, but until this point right here. So that's my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I said 7, didn't I? Here's the 7th one right here. Well, I counted beforehand. 5? 5? Where's the 6? Alrighty. Just want to make sure there's no. No other places. Alright, so how does this separate? You know, I'm starting to think you do have to take the switches out because it looks like this piece is also this piece, and it's all one piece. So it looks like I'm gonna have to take out all. But while we're looking, look at the lube on the stabilizers. Look at that lube. Look at all that lube they got on there. They got that lube. Got one more. Look at all that lube they got. That's a lot of lube. Alright, so let's take out some switches. I keep saying let's like you're doing it, but you're not. Unless you are. Which, if you are, good. Oh, I see why he was struggling with this. Alright, so when you get your switch puller, make sure you get, you see that right here, this whole thing here? That's the south side. And then here's your north side. You want to get right underneath this. This is not like a regular switch. Don't do the sides because you see what's on the sides? That's holding the switch together. Don't use those. That's not your anchor point. You want to use your north and south side with these here. If you can dig it underneath there, you'll be able to pull it right out. Should be easy. It's not that easy. Put that out there. It's not, no. It's really not that easy. I see why he was struggling. Oh boy, yeah, I see. Okay. But you just have to dig underneath there and then you'll get it. If not, you can always just put a keycap on there really hard and then snatch it off and then it'll come with it. Because maybe I should have snatched them all off like that and then I'd be done. Grab from a corner and then pull it under. Let me try and pull this apart real quick. There's 8. There's another one underneath right there. Your QC pass. So there's 8. Let's see if it'll come off after that. Yeah, that one was not fun to get off. You can't take the whole sticker off because it's made to separate itself and fall apart. Found something. See that right there? That's your reset button right there. So if you ever have to do any of that stuff, there's your reset button. That's
right next to caps lock.
Another thing I didn't know about these keyboards at all is all the switches are lubed. I did not know that. So that's one less thing you gotta worry about or want to do. These are really hard to actually take out. Like, I can't imagine actually having to take out every single one for any reason. Actually hard to do. And there doesn't seem to be a way to force these apart or anything like that. Like, I can't flex it apart either. Oh well. Alright, so I see why in the Discord someone said, oh, I grab it like that. The fastest way to do this, grab your east-west, pull it like that, it'll make it loose, then go underneath it and pull it all the way out. So grab it east-west, yank it a little bit, it'll give you just enough room to get underneath north and south, golly, and then boom, it'll come right out. So one more time, like that, now you can get underneath it. So remember, you're not doing this to actually yank it out. You're just doing that to get underneath it. That's the easiest way to get underneath north and south. Like that. Like that. One more time on the difficult edge. There you go. Just like that. Alright, so there you go. Oh, okay. They're all out. Now, here's the did I waste my time question. Does this come apart easily now that all the switches are out? Does it even come apart? Does it even do? Let me get some more tools. Although you might be tempted to avoid using metal on plastic. Avoid it. Avoid it. When you're trying to separate things, avoid it. Don't do it. Don't be tempted. Alright, I'm gonna see if this comes apart first. Actually, what happens when I do that? Oh, so this right here is actually a whole layer, and it's underneath this plastic part here. And it absorbs some of the impact of the switches. But if that fell off, I'd be so angry. Does this come apart? Does this even come apart? I'm starting to think there's no way to get under here easily. No, I don't see anything under there. I don't see anything under there either. I was really hoping I could get underneath this layer and fill it up, because this is the only area on the keyboard that needs some sort of filling. The battery's here, that's there, and then this area is just kind of empty until it gets, you know, too thin to fit anything, which is down here. I'm about to give up because this functions and I'm not trying to make it not. So I'm gonna save you and me some trouble, and I'm gonna put it all back together, and I'm gonna put these on here, and then we'll see how these sound compared to the old ones with a previous sound test. So yeah, I could have saved myself some time. Yeah, because I'm not willing to really bust into here just to mod it when it works. Oh, and one thing that's important, the spacebar does not have an opening for an LED, so there you go. Alright, so is the spacebar flat? Oh, it feels good to me. Where's my properly colored picture? There we go. Feels good. Not that shift, but this shift. No! You know, Amazon. You know, it would be better in this case to talk to the people. I'm probably gonna actually just contact XVX without going through Amazon, because like their choices are troubleshoot on your own, already know what's wrong, watch helpful videos. What are they gonna do? Replace with the exact same item. I really don't need all this. Refund. Like what? How much value is this one keycap? Like really? Come on, Amazon, y'all wasting folk time. Alright. And this of course happens on Friday, so hopefully someone's there. But I hate when stuff happens on Fridays. I'm gonna have to change my Amazon delivery date to Thursday. This is a typical thing for me, I guess, where something must go wrong, right? And you know, the thing is about Amazon, this has probably been in circulation this whole time. Like, someone broke it, they probably broke it, and then put it right back in the thing, and then said, oh, it came broken. And so Amazon will take it back, they'll get another one. And so this one probably stayed in circulation over and over and over and over. And there's probably another person who ordered this, it was broken, it's the same one. And I'm like, can we break the cycle so that there isn't a broken one? I almost would put money on it, but I'm more responsible than that. It looks pretty good. A whole nother thing, Nuphy. Look at this. Look at all that accent color. Y'all have really nice keys. These are nice keycaps. I like these. But you guys missed an opportunity to color match the whole keyboard. You got the red down here. No one's gonna see that when you're, you know, here. You guys had a chance to make a keycap set that's this white with only this accent. So like, me personally, I would have loved the same white with gray, same thing. But instead of these, which I like these are nice because they match. Okay, they don't really match. But anyway, and then have print screen, delete home, all of those functions. Well, maybe, because you guys have function here. Terrible spot. Right there. That's a good spot right there. Escape, enter, backspace, shift. Those keys, the these keys, as this color. And then it could have been black with the gray, and then that color, and then the whole thing would look really uniformed. There's no yellow on this, yet y'all have that theme where, oh, this is yellow and that's the teal, and then this is the red, and it's like, this looks better a little. I don't know, I'm just hoping for stuff, right? This is why I don't like doing things when I'm upset. Okay, I'm actually done now. 1 minute you're in the mood to make a video, and then the next minute you're just like, you know what, I'm gonna just go eat. Forget the video. I don't feel like working on it. I don't feel like doing anything else. Thanks a lot. There's your sound test. So when it came via Amazon, this is the replacement one. It came like this. I can't show you too much, but wonderful. It didn't even come in the bag. I was looking for the bag. Anyway, okay. I'm only here for one thing. Now that's how it's supposed to look. There we go. The shift looks different than the enter. I'm gonna switch a few more of these around so that they look the same. And we will take that to UPS tomorrow. So I'm gonna undo those screws and see what happens. I gotta go get those tools. Kick the camera. All right. Let's see. This. No, I'm gonna keep going. See how fast I can do. Not shift. Caps lock. Let me get nice and close so you can see. Let me get nice and close. I'm way over there. I'm giving myself less editing to do, and I'm not gonna say anything at this point. In fact, all right, no audio coming up.
Bluetooth connected.
Yeah, I'll be right back.